In the realm of raw, unadulterated firepower, there's no disputing the reign of the shotgun. Built for close quarters combat and delivering the widest spread of lethal force, these tactical tools command a level of respect unparalleled in the field. Designed to unleash devastating torrents of lead or steel shot, they embody the epitome of destructive capability. But today, we're not just focusing on any shotguns. We're zeroing in on those at the zenith, the peak performers, the high-capacity powerhouses. We're about to embark on a roller coaster ride through the top 10 superior high-capacity shotguns of this moment. Remington 870 DM. Our first entrant, the Remington 870 DM, is a titan among tactical shotguns. Combining the trusted performance and legendary reliability of the classic 870 design with a groundbreaking detachable magazine system, this weapon delivers unprecedented speed and adaptability. One magazine, 6 12-gauge rounds, and your trusty 870 pump-action mechanism make the 870 DM a force of nature and a top contender in the home defense shotgun market. Citadel BOSS 25. Imagine the perfect fusion of an AR-15's modularity and a 12-gauge shotgun's raw power. That's precisely what Citadel's BOSS 25 brings to the table. This 8-pound powerhouse not only offers the comfort and functionality of your favorite AR, including a collapsible stock and AR-15 style controls, but also delivers the punch of a 12-gauge round. UTAS Defense UTS 15. Next up, we have a weapon straight out of a science fiction film, the UTAS Defense UTS 15. This Turkish marvel, with its futuristic design and high-capacity dual tubes, stands out from the crowd, delivering raw power in a compact package. Weighing just under 7 pounds, this bullpup pump-action shotgun offers a killer combination of handling, capacity, and unique style, proving that it is more than just a pretty face. VEPR 12. When it comes to reliability and performance, the Russian-made VEPR 12 holds its ground. The VEPR 12 is built on one of the world's most reliable rifle designs, and ups the ante with a detachable box magazine, combining the legendary ruggedness of the AK platform with the devastating power of a 12-gauge shotgun. The VEPR 12 doesn't just look impressive, it performs even better. Franchi SPAS 12. Known from countless movies and games, the Franchi SPAS 12 is as famous as it is powerful. Initially designed for military and law enforcement applications, it has found favor with civilian shooters for its rapid-fire capabilities, accessorizing potential, and its unique function of seamlessly switching between pump action and semi-automatic. The SPAS 12 is not just a shotgun, it's a legend. IWI Tavor TS12. Our next contestant in the arena of superior high-capacity shotguns is the IWI Tavor TS12. Don't let its compact size fool you. This 12-gauge monster sports a 3-tube rotating magazine nested within a rugged polymer frame, combining high capacity with exceptional reliability. It's a robust, quick-handling combat shotgun that's as impressive in functionality as it is in appearance. Smith & Wesson M&P 12. Smith & Wesson, a name synonymous with quality and reliability, enters the race with the M&P 12. This tactical shotgun is a home defender's dream, boasting a compact, easy-to-maneuver design packed with useful features such as flexible ammunition capabilities, an ergonomic grip, and ambidextrous controls. With the M&P 12, your home defense strategy just got a significant upgrade. Kel-Tec KSG. Kel-Tec never ceases to surprise us with its innovative firearm designs, and the KSG is no exception. A 12-gauge pump-action shotgun that revolutionized the market with its dual magazine tubes and bullpup design, The KSG offers a total capacity of 14 + 1 rounds in a compact package. Combining innovation, reliability, and a high capacity, the KSG stands tall as an excellent tactical shotgun. Mossberg 590M. Known for its ruggedness and reliability, the 590 gets a magazine-fed update in the 590M. This shotgun combines the legendary performance of the 590 platform with the convenience of a detachable magazine, all without compromising on the shotgun's renowned ruggedness. The 590M, with its high-capacity detachable magazines, is a game-changer, providing superior firepower on demand. Standard manufacturing, DP12. Closing our list, we present you with a standard manufacturing DP12, a high-capacity, double-barrel marvel designed for discerning shooters who demand extreme firepower and consistent reliability. With a total capacity of 16 rounds and a unique double-barrel operation, the DP12 ensures you're always prepared for whatever situation comes your way. That concludes our roundup of the top 10 high-capacity shotguns of the moment. These remarkable firearms embody power, performance, and versatility, providing shooters with unparalleled tactical advantages. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exhilarating content like this. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.